advertisement cover downtown. Wow! Since then, birthmarks have become a beauty trend for everyone. Today, the kitten went into the forest to look for beetles.
Here it is.
Oh, wow! That's a big, beautiful pet beetle.
Haha, I will catch you.
Oh my god, the cat accidentally poked a beehive.
Stay away from me. Oh no.
Oh my god! Go away! Fortunately, the kitten was saved from the bees by the mermaid, who returned to the sea to search for herbs to heal the kitten's wound.
Drink this and you'll be fine.
When the kitten woke up, he was very surprised to see the mermaid.